Is your Austin home or business overwhelmed with clutter? Whether it's old furniture, broken appliances, yard debris, or construction waste, unwanted junk can quickly take up valuable space and create unnecessary stress. That's where professional junk removal services in Austin come in, offering a fast, reliable, and hassle-free solution to reclaim your space and peace of mind. The clutter problem. Why junk builds up? It's easy to let clutter accumulate over time. From leftover renovation materials to furniture that's no longer in use, many homeowners and business owners in Austin find themselves stuck with items that no longer serve a purpose. But hauling these heavy, bulky objects to the landfill or recycling center can be time-consuming, physically demanding, and even dangerous without the right equipment. Instead of putting off the task or risking injury, calling a junk removal expert can save you time and energy, so you can focus on what really matters. The benefits of hiring professional junk removal in Austin: save time and effort. One of the top reasons people in Austin turn to junk removal services is the convenience. Professionals handle all the heavy lifting, sorting, hauling, and disposal. Whether you're clearing out your garage, downsizing, or preparing a rental property for new tenants, expert crews can complete the job in a fraction of the time it would take to do it yourself. Proper disposal and recycling. Not all junk belongs in a landfill. A reputable junk removal company in Austin knows how to responsibly sort items and ensure that recyclable or reusable materials are kept out of the trash. Furniture, electronics, metal, cardboard, and more can often be donated or recycled, keeping Austin greener and reducing your environmental footprint. Increased safety. Lifting large items like old appliances or yard waste without training can lead to injury. Professionals are trained to lift and carry heavy items safely. They also have the right tools and protective equipment to prevent damage to your home or injury during removal. Boost property value and appeal. Removing clutter from your yard, driveway, garage, or office space can dramatically boost curb appeal and functionality. If you're looking to sell or rent your property in Austin, a clean, clutter-free space makes a better first impression and can increase your property's value. Stress-free and transparent pricing. Most junk removal companies offer upfront estimates based on the volume and type of items being removed. You won't have to worry about hidden fees or surprise costs. This transparency adds peace of mind, especially during larger cleanout projects. What can you remove? Professional junk removal services in Austin can handle a wide range of items, including furniture, sofas, dressers, mattresses, appliances, refrigerators, washers, dryers, yard waste, branches, leaves, outdoor furniture, construction debris, drywall, wood, tiles, electronics, TVs, computers, printers, household clutter, toys, clothes, boxes. Whether it's a single item or an entire home or office cleanout, no job is too big or too small. When is the right time to call? If you're facing any of the following situations, it might be time to call a professional. You're moving or downsizing. You're preparing for a home renovation. You're managing a foreclosure or estate cleanout. You need to clear space quickly for guests or events. You're tired of looking at the clutter. Final thoughts. Clutter doesn't have to control your space or your life. With the help of professional junk removal services in Austin, you can clear the mess, breathe easier, and enjoy a cleaner, more organized environment. Whether you're tackling a small garage project or need a full property cleanout, don't go it alone. Let a trusted Austin junk removal team do the heavy lifting, so you can focus on enjoying your home or growing your business with a clear and refreshed space.